It's extremely cold, but I'm going to be testing out the Sage Bass. This is a 330 711. It's an old rod, but we'll see if we can get it done right now. Work our way down to some softer water, I think. Last little bit of light here, so let's see. To no fault of the rod, wasn't able to get it done. My overall consensus is that this thing casts pretty well, loads pretty well. It's kind of short for distance casting, but it's fairly accurate. My only gripes are that there are no rod alignment or like section alignment guide dots or anything. And when you pay this much for a rod, you kind of expect that. The grip is a little uncomfortable for me. This is quite a deep well. Man, it's so cold, my mouth doesn't work to speak right now. But to some it might be comfortable, it's just preference, but to be frank, it doesn't fit me very well. And also for the cost, you'd think that the real seat would be a little flashier, but overall the rod performs well, and that's all that really matters, I guess. But before my mouth completely stops working, I'm gonna head out. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out the other videos in the playlist. Until next time, guys, catch you guys on the flip side, tight lines, and we're out.